Good morning, everybody. This is the first video of 2024. Lily said 1974. Oh dear. Let's go back in time. I think things were better. Let me just check the sound recorded again. I'm doing 2 recordings on this phone at the same time. Yeah, it seems to be working. Right. So we've got the 360 connected up to the solar charger. And I've got the mic connected to my phone. And I got my sound on my phone. So we're going to have a look at the waterfall at Aero. I left my selfie stick at home that I'm really piddled off about. But never mind, we'll just have to make do, won't we? The reason I'm going down there is because I got fed up sitting in the house, moping around, feeling miserable. One day when I can afford it, I'm going to buy a heated helmet. Because I'm sick of this visor steaming up. You have to leave it open slightly to stop it from steaming up. So if there's any wind noise there, I can't help it. I'm just taking it easy because the roads are very wet and slippy. And if you don't want to see this part of the video, skip forward and you'll get to the waterfall bit. My camera mounts moving. I'll have to stop and fix it. I've got a tether. And I forgot to put it on and it's blowing the camera back. So I'm going to stop here and fix it. I know, we'll stop at Delmain. Don't want to stop there on that corner, it's dangerous. So this is my first ride out this year. I'll stop here and fix this camera thingy. There's Delmain. I checked my microphone and it stopped working, so a bit of the video is going to be all messed up now. Friggin' Nora. That's recording. Right, hopefully it's recording now. Oh dear. I'll have to get I need a sound recorder, a proper sound recorder, or I'm going to buy another second-hand phone and record on that because my last phone smashed all over the road. So this year I've got some trips planned. There won't be any more music on my videos. It was costing me £185 a year for epidemic sound. That's ridiculous. £185 a year. My phone contract was costing me £47 a month. That ends in April. So I'm not getting any more phone contracts. Just on BT, that's telephone network in the UK, between BT and my mobile phone was costing me about £96 a month just on those two things. Then you add up. This bloody car's right behind me, or van. And when you add all this stuff up, £2 here, £7.80 here for subscription, and you wonder why you haven't got any money left. Oh, just look at this beautiful Gulf water's calm. Look at that. Amazing. No wind. It's like a mirror. I'm going to let this van go past. I'm sick of it hogging right behind me. Right up my bloomin' backside. Idiot. Wow, look at that. There's not a ripple on there. Wow. This makes you feel better when you come out and see that. Wow, look at it. Got a bit of low cloud down near Howtown on the other side of the lake. Water Millock, or Millock, that's where we are. I have to keep an eye on the road and keep looking at that beautiful scenery. Why is my battery only registering 86% when it's on charge? Maybe I plugged the wrong cable in, or the cable's come out. I'll check it when I get to Aero. I'm not going to stop again. I might split this video into two. We'll see how long it is. There's a boathouse down here to my left here. Someone bought it and they've done it up. Oh, they've finished it. They've redone it up. Wow, what a difference that place is. That'll be worth millions now. Well, a lot of money anyway. Look how still the water is. Can't see it all because of the trees, but hopefully you'll see some of it. Visor's steaming up again. What the hell are you braking for? You stupid idiot. Good grief. This slams his brakes on. Good grief. I don't know. This is why you have to be so careful and alert when you're on the bike. Keep your distance from these idiots. I don't know why brake. There's no need to brake. There was nothing in his way. Oh my god, I saw a tractor slam my brakes on. Good grief. Oh, stop moaning. Might get a bit of sun, hopefully. It's over there behind that cloud. It's trying to break through. Howtown's over to my left on the other side of the lake. Keep a distance from this car in front. Keeps putting those brakes on all the time. so I've got some trips organised. Now I'm cutting back on my unnecessary spending. It was ridiculous how much money I was spending on nonsense. I'm thinking, why do I need to spend £185 a year on music? The only reason I've stopped putting music on the channel is because of the cost. I know you can get free music, but if you want to find anything good, you have to spend ages looking for it. And you have to match it up, and it's a pain in the arse. So it's going to make my life a lot easier in my editing not to put music on. I used to put music on my drone videos, but when I had the Mavic 2 Zoom drone, that had a built-in mic on the controller, so you could actually talk when you were flying, and that was brilliant. I don't know why they stopped that idea. It should have been on all drone controllers, because you could fly and talk, and you didn't have to record your voice separately and stick it on. And of course, I'm sure that wouldn't have cost much to put a mic on your bloody controller. The Mavic 2 Zoom is a brilliant drone. All the drones I've had have been alright. I had the Mavic Air 2 and the Mini 2. I've had some cheaper drones that were utterly rubbish. Right, we're going to go up to the top car park. There's a flood on the road here. Yeah, we're going to go up to the top car park. Right, we'll go up to the top car park. It's easier for me because I've got my walking stick with me that I should use all the time, because I fell over the other day into a puddle. I got all soaking wet. That's because I didn't take my walking stick with me. Big bump. So if you want to get to the top of Aero, Waterfall, and you don't want to walk up that big hill from the bottom, this is the best car park to use. It's easier and it's not as far. Car park's just here on the right. Now, I'm just wondering if I should park there and not into the car park, because I think you have to pay for it. What does it say? There's a parking place there. Yeah, you have to pay for it. Why should I pay to enjoy the countryside? Yeah, we'll stop here. There you go, there's the waterfall. You've seen it now. Right, right, I haven't been here for years. Right, 23 minutes, 24 minutes long. Let's see if my sound's still recording. Yes, it is. Right, I'm going to pause it here and I'll come back. Well, I can hear it. I can hear the waterfall. It should be really good because... Oh, thank you. Cheers. I can hear the waterfall from here. Yeah. That's why I came down, because of all the rain we've had.
Oh yeah.
I thought it was going to be quite spectacular. Have you been down?
We have not
Not today, but yeah, Yeah, we come here regularly.
Yeah.
I think you're right. It'll be a lot fuller today.
Yeah. It's been years ago since I was here.
Uh-huh.
Morning.
Hello, good morning.
Well done, mate.
Good morning. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
I'm
beautiful.
facing the camera that way so don't record.
Okay, no
Record you. I'm doing it from a YouTube channel.
Good. What's the channel?
Exploring the Eden Valley Adventures.
Excellent. Exploring the Eden Valley
Adventures.
Adventures.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll have a wee look.
Okay, enjoy your walk.
Yeah.
Bye. Ugh, got poo on the footpath. Sheep poo. Freshly made this morning. Can't see any sheep. There's some over there. God, there must be some water going over the top of that. I can hear it from here. I've never heard it that loud. Oh, I wish I'd brought my other selfie stick pole. Never mind, we'll make do for what we've got. I love this old gate. Look at this old gate. It's got these little things on the top. Aero Force Waterfall.